US dollar flexes its muscles yet again for the previous week. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The euro has plunged during the course of the week to reach down to the 1.05 level. All things being equal, the market continues to see the 1.05 level as a major support area. So we'll have to wait and see whether or not we can bounce from it. So far, we have seen that happen near the end of the week here on Friday. So we'll have to wait and see how this plays out. If we do break down below the 1.05 level, then we could drop down to the 1.0250 level. Rallies at this point in time will more likely than not end up being short-term opportunities that can be faded on signs of exhaustion. The US dollar has rallied a bit during the course of the week to break above the 155 yen level, and short-term pullbacks will more likely than not offer buying opportunities. All things being equal, I do think that we continue to see the interest rate differential play a huge part in this pair, and I think that the US dollar will eventually try to get to the 160 yen level. We are a little overdone, so a bit of consolidation and a slight pullback could make some sense. And in the Australian dollar, we have broken below the 0.65 psychological barrier, and I think ultimately you have to look at this through the prism of a risk on or risk off type of global situation. As long as there are concerns out there, and of course the idea that the US dollar is strengthening against almost everything, I do think that we will eventually try to get to the 0.6350 level, an area that should be massive support. If we were to break down below there, it could set a lot of financial markets on fire, quite frankly, because it would be pretty much a fresh new low against the dollar for not only the Australian dollar, but probably the euro and several other larger currencies such as the Japanese yen, Canadian dollar, etc. So watch the US dollar in general is the crux of all of this analysis. My name's Christopher Lewis. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.